Morning, guys. Good morning. I'll make sure I'm live here, man. What's going on, guys? Yes, sir. I'm live. Whoops. Sorry, guys. That's the delay. See the delay? There it is. If you didn't know about it, now you know. All right, let's get to the chart. I don't know what to make of this market today. I'll be honest, man. It's just chop. It's very bullish. It was very bullish. You can see, I mean, it's been just ripping up. Look at this. Super bullish market. But now it's coming to a standstill. So, what do I think? I think we'll take a sweep here. Looks like they're going to open the government. I guess that's why it's so bullish. Well, I mean, that's today's reason. I don't know about last week. It was actually going down there for a while, but then it reversed. But I'm still expecting a major pullback. I think a lot of stuff is going to happen with Venezuela, maybe Nigeria. But Trump's waiting for the government to be open because I think, this is my theory, man, because these guys aren't even getting paid. Hold on a sec, guys. I got to sneeze. That's Naz. I had to sneeze. Sorry, guys. My allergies are killing me every morning, man. I was over there. I grabbed an avocado. Let's see what we got. Let me check US 30. US 30 swept here twice already. Swept here. I would say it's going to go up. If you were on the stream Friday, man, I missed a nice trade on US 30. We survived. We had like 600 pips last week. No losses, of course. Check gold. Love avocados, man. I'm tempted to just buy gold right there. See how it's rejecting off this fair value gap? I'd rather come here and sweep, but it might not be in the cards. I could take a position here and then take another one here if it sweeps. That's what I'm going to do, guys. Okay, I'm in. I'm in, guys. That's how it is, man. It's that quick. Oh, I got it right around there somewhere. I'm in profit, so I'm pretty close to where I got in. Let's make it quick today. That'll be nice. Grab a nice hit here first thing in the morning. Hopefully. I'm still in profit, so the box probably could be a little lower. It's a good avocado, man. It's like perfect ripe, you know? Can't get the seed out, though. If it closes below this fair value gap, then I'll start to think maybe it's coming down to here. Until that happens, we're good. And that gap has already been filled. So it shouldn't hang around there too long. It already filled the gap. There, see it closed below. I think it closed below. Let's see what this candle does. I didn't see it. I was looking at my avocado. We're coming down a little more. We're right at the 200, guys. Best support and resistance on your chart is the 200. What's up, Tal? Good to see you, man. Hope you had a good weekend. You're in a sell, huh? Let's see what happens, man. It is pushing down now. Man, it's good avocado. After this, I'll go for a nice walk. I've been walking 3 miles in the morning and 3 miles after dinner every day, man. Still getting fat. Crazy. I got to stop eating bread. I love bread for some reason, man. Let me see if it'll sweep here. Got red. I'm going to take another position there if it sets that alarm off, guys. We'll see. Oh. So far, it hasn't. Oh, is that alarm set? How come it's not red? Red. Better keep my eyes open. The alarm bell, it didn't turn red for some reason. When I click on the line, it says that the alarm is on. So whatever. Well, let's see what happens, guys. I'll tell you, man. I remember, like, before I retired, I knew every day, man. I knew when it was Friday. I hated Monday. Now I can't wait for Monday, man. It's crazy, right? Even I had a great weekend, but I still miss doing this every Monday, man. So it's good. Now my job, now I love my job, man. First time in my life. When you love your job, you never work, right? That's what they say. I wish I knew about this. I wish I would have learned how to do this instead of going to high school. That's what someone told me. Oh, guys, any of you guys have been here before, man? I tell you about that real estate group. Let me see this guy. Where is the link? There it is. This guy, the guy that runs the group, is doing a 3-day boot camp. So I thought I would tell you guys about it. I love that group, man. If you want to do real estate, that's the group to be in my opinion, man. They got boots on, they got guys on the ground. The house I bought, I've never even been to that state. Okay, they found the house for me. They had a guy go scope it out for me. I mean, I gave him you got to give him a few dollars, They'll take pictures and then they'll fill the house for you after you buy it. They'll find you a buyer. And then they even got guys in the group that lend you money if you don't have money. Now look, I could have 10 houses already, but I'm a little older than if I was a young kid, I would grab more of these houses on credit. They're always popping up in the group. And there's guys in there that'll sell your house, for $600 a month, whatever, and you just turn around and resell it for $900 a month or whatever. You can do that all day long if you don't have the money. But I want to get like 4 or 5 that I own outright before I start borrowing, man. That's just the way I am. But I could have 10 houses easy by now. So many houses come available. But yeah, he's gonna do a boot camp. And this is the only group that you can really do it from anywhere, man. You don't even have to be in America, man. There's guys in the group that doing it, they're not even in America, man. And there's guys in the group with 200, 230 houses. I met one guy, I went to the event last year. I met this guy, Joey, man. He had like 240 houses, man. And he was a young dude, man. Young dude, bro. Guy's a freaking millionaire, man. Young kid. So anyway, man, he's doing an event. I'll put the link. Let me put the link. If you guys want to check it out, I think it's like $40. I'm not going because I'm going to the event in January up in Virginia Beach. That's the one I went to last. That's the one I go to every year. I just got off track because I'm building a house in Southeast Asia, and I want to pay that off. And I'm halfway there. Then I'll get back on my track here with 3 houses a year, 3 investment houses a year. But I think with Susanna, I'm gonna make a lot of headway with this, man. I'm hot on Susanna, man. It's gonna be launching this week. I'll be on tonight live with Susanna. If you guys want to check it out, come to my channel 9 o'clock. It's in 11 and a half hours from now. And we'll see the updates because I know they turned everything over to the auditors last week. So the auditors might be done by now. We'll find out tonight. We'll find out. They might have things they have to fix. We'll see. Let's see if we can ring this bell before we go up, man. I think it's going to go up. Hate to say it, Tal. I've been wrong before, though, man. You know what I'm saying? I remember once. I'm only kidding, man. Well, let's see what we got. Let me shout out my Kick members here. What's up, Kick? Now, let me make a plan here for gold. Oh, that's 80 pips right there. That's crazy, man. All right, that's 80 pips, guys. We'll see how it moves. You know, the situation's fluid as always. But when it gets here, I'll take it at least half. I'll probably take 3/4. Right? That'll be 60 pips in the bank. And then I'll put a stop loss. Well, I might do it sooner. I might do it here. It depends how it's moving. Uh-oh. Hold on a sec, guys. We are in profit, guys. It makes me kind of wish. Yeah, I'm up over 20 pips. It makes me kind of wish that we would have hit the alarm down here, you know? We never swept. And it also makes me think that it's probably coming back. It could be coming back for that. Let's see what it does here. But we would have been up already if it already did it. I'd be already out it. I'd already have taken profit. Right there's 90 pips. I mean, we were up 112. How about 110 pips, we'll call it. Be fair. I'm going to switch to 1 minute now. All right, we'll just see what it does, guys. That's all we can do is wait. Some water. Back to break even. Oh, we're out of profit. My goodness. Crazy. It might come down to sweep now. If it does, I'm going to take it, guys. Okay. We're in good shape, I think, guys. Only thing is it did not break structure yet, but it's okay. Notice the 200. I just noticed that. The 200 is right where our TP is, man. That's perfect. If it comes back for a retest on the 200, we'll be out. That's 80 pips away from our entry. I'll probably take 60. You take whatever you want. You can close right there full. 80 pips is a good payday. Especially when you got other trades going, like I always do. I almost want to buy here off this fair value gap or off the 200 again. Tempting, man, tempting. See what we got here. Now we're kind of just hanging out there, you know. Now the market could be waiting. They could be waiting for a vote to see if the government's going to open. I don't know. People send me the craziest stuff, man. Silliness, man. Crazy people, man. Crazy people out there. Now we're right back near our entry. We're not there yet, but just about a couple of pips. We could break this high. Then I feel good. I feel real good, man. I feel good. Da-na-na-na. Here we come, baby. Let's go. Oh. We're up, man. We're up. Yep. We broke that high, guys. Let's see if we can close above it. If we can close above it, we're going up, man. Then, of course, we got this supply zone. That just popped up here. We got to break through that. What we got to do is get to that 200, and that's 80 pips. Gotta believe, baby. Come on, break out of that box, man. We're gonna break out. Come on. Come back, touch the fair value gap, and go. Oh, we're pumping out, man. We're pumping out. There we go. We broke through again. Let's close above there now. I'm up 350 pips. Not 350. 35. Sorry, guys. $350. I don't know where I got that from. I'm counting my money already, maybe. I lost the cap. Well, we got a little higher high. See, we just keep going like that till we break out. Definitely on a trend here. It's only 1 minute. I wouldn't really count. I wouldn't be taking trades off this kind of trend, but just for illustration purposes. It is looking up, you know what I mean? We got to close outside that box, though. We haven't done that yet. Come on, gold. Let's go, man. God damn it. Got things to do, man. Let me get rid of this line here. I'm going to confuse people. Sorry, guys. My allergies kicking in today. All right, here we go, man. 35 pips up, 40. 45 I saw. Show me 50. Come on, 50 I see. Now we got to break through this supply now. That's a little tougher than just getting up there. There's sellers waiting there. Come on, baby. Who's in this tray with me, man? Anybody? Check Kick. What's up, Kick? All right, I might close here, guys. And I might take profit, not close, because it's 50 pips. If I see 50 pips again, I'm going to take. If I take 3/4. If I take 3/4, that'll be like 36 pips. Let me think here for a sec. See if I want to do it. Let's see what it does. I'd rather get. Come on, push above. There we go. There we go. We broke through them at 60 pips. Come on. So you guys can see it good. Right at 60 pips now. There we go. Might be more than 80 pips. I got a better entry than I thought here, man. Because I'm at 70 pips, just about. I'm at like 69 pips, just about. So that might be like 100 pips. I don't know. I think I got a better entry. It says 83. Where am I at here? Let me see if I can get this to slow down for a sec. I'm at 60 right there. This is hard to do like this. Whoa, look at that jump. Can't catch it. Anyway. I'm going to get out, guys. I'm going to take profit. I'm at like 68 pips right now. Let's see what it does here quick. 70. Hey, Josh. I definitely got a better entry, guys. Give it one more chance to go up, then I'm going to get out. I'm going to take 3/4. As soon as I see 80, it's at 75 now. Damn. $70. Yeah, came back. Hey, show me 80. I got my finger on the trigger, guys. My thumb, not my finger, my thumb. Nope, not yet. Coming back down. Hopefully it'll reject off that EMA there. Out, guys. Nailed it. Like 90 pips. Oh, it's 3/4 of 90 would be 75. It's like 65 pips in the bank. A little more. That was nice, man. I'm going to put a stop loss now. I'm going to put it a little high. I'm going to put it right below that green line I put before that we had the break above. Because I think it's going to come back now. Make that purple. That was nice, right? 4085.37. 4085. 5.37. All right, guys, we are in. Let me get rid of this green line now. We don't need it. We are in profit. and rocking and rolling. We are risk-free. We got like 70 pips in the bank. Let me see. What's 90 divided by 4? 30, 60, 90, 24. Let me do it with the calculator. I want to get it right. Some of you guys out there be like, oh, he said he had this many pips and he didn't. $22.5 times 3, 67 pips, guys. So 67 pips in the bank. Beautiful, beautiful. There you have it, my friend. Anybody take that? Anybody catch that with me, man? Come on, guys. Come on now. Nobody took it? All right. Suckers. Where's my applause? Thank you. That deserves a double applause. I mean, boom. Let me see how Kick's doing. Any kickers take that one with me or what? Come on, guys. Get it together over there and Kick. What else we got here? Explosion. Let me see what that sounds like. That's when it hits stop loss. All right, cool. Got a bunch of sound effects. Rocking and rolling. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see how far we could go with this baby. Where do you think it's going, guys? See what NAS and US 30 are doing. Hmm. Uh-oh. You better not stop me out now. I'm not moving my stop loss, guys. I don't care. Because I'm up 60 pips, right? 67 to be exact. It's in a good spot. Protected a little bit. That'll get us to 70 pips. No, more than that, 90 pips. Yeah, that's 23 pips added on. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. I need the back of my chair, man. My back's hurt. All right, I'm just going to let this go, guys. I'm just going to let this run, guys. My TP, I put it right here. Pretty good. At the top of that order block. Should probably move it right to the bottom of it. Only a couple of pips. I'm going to set my TP, guys. 4102. That's what I'm going to put. $4102. $4102. All right. That's my TP set. My stop loss is set at 4085.37. So that's it, guys. Now we just wait. Go about your business, and whatever happens, happens. All right, guys. But that's 80 pips. That's 67. It's more than 80. Let me see. 67 plus 23. 90 pips. 90 guaranteed pips here, guys. If we get stopped out. Which it looks like we might. It's another 100. That'll be 167. If it hits our TP, it's 167 pips. All right, but with that, guys, I'm going to go get ready, do my thing. Beautiful day out. We got our win for the day. Give me a W in the chat. And I will see you guys tomorrow, man. Same bad time. All right, guys, I'm going to go. Have a great day on purpose, guys. God bless you guys. See you tonight on the Sasana call, 9 p.m. New York time. See you tomorrow right back here, man, for some more trading. Have a great day, guys. God bless. Thanks, guys.